Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Today I'm going to show you guys a look using the Perception Palette by MakeupShayla in Colourpop. This palette is so pretty. I'm so excited. Go ahead and stay tuned for these next couple of clips to see what look I create. Okay guys, so my foundation is already on. I'm just going to use 3 brushes to do this look. So let's get started. First, I'm going to start with the color Culture in my crease. Okay, that's not really showing up on me, but it's okay, cool. Okay, so now I'm going to use the color Thick. Okay, that's better. Okay guys, so when I blend my eyeshadow, or if I'm doing any blending in my crease area, I hold my brush far back and I use a very light hand. I do the windshield wiper motion. And I like to bring my eyeshadow up to the front of my eyebrow and just blend it up, straight up and down. Just like that. And then I'm going to use the color Revenge right here just to deepen the crease a little bit more, just a little bit. I'm going to put Revenge really on the outer corner, slightly going into the crease. And then I'm going to place it on the inner corner as well. Not going to bring it onto the lid completely, just on the outer corners and inner corner. And this brush that I'm using is the OG MAC 224 blending brush. Okay, I think I am satisfied with that. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade Played Out with this flat brush. This brush is by Sonia Kashuk. It came in a pack. It did not have a name. I'm sorry. It's very old. I'm pretty sure you could probably find something similar to this. You probably already have something like this. But I'm going to take the shade Played Out, tap my brush in there just like that. And then I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. And then I'm going to go back with the 224 and I'm going to blend that out. Okay, that's good for me. Now I'm going to take the shade I'm going to take the shade and Played Out, and I'm going to mix the two together, and I'm going to put that on my lid as well. Now going back with the 224 again, I'm going to blend that out too. I'm going to go ahead and go in with a little more Revenge into the crease just to help blend it out a little better. Really want a smoky look. Okay, cool. All right, now I'm actually done with the top lid. That's it. That's all I'll be doing. Now I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to line my waterline and my lower lash line. Okay, I know I'm looking a little crazy, right? It's cool. We're gonna fix it. Okay, now I'm going to use this precision brush. This is a brush that my mother got for me from one of her jobs, and it's by the brand Heroes, and it's just like a flat precision brush. So I'm going to use that to blend out my lower lash line. And I'm going to take a little bit of it too and put it on my inner corner. Now I'm going to take the shade Unbothered, and I'm going to put that in my waterline. Okay, I'm also going to take Unbothered and put it in my inner corner. Okay, now with the same brush, I'm going to use the shade September, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. I'm just going to drag it out just a little bit, not too much. I'm going to clean a little bit of this fallout up with this Midnight Luxury Powder in the color Rose Petal. I'm just taking a very little, just like that. Then I'm gonna go back with my foundation brush and just pat, pat, pat. Now I'm going to take the color Thick with my 224 blending brush and put that under the color September. Okay, so now I'm going to use the MakeupShayla Big Shot Mascara, and I'm going to use the purple color, and I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. Okay guys, so I'm just going to finish off the look with a black mascara by E.L.F. This is their volumizing mascara, and I'm just going to put that on my top lashes. Okay, I love how this eye look turned out. All right, so now I'm actually going to use the Perception Palette for my highlighter and my blush, okay? I'm going to take my E.L.F. blending brush. This is a highlighter blending brush, and I'm going to use the color Unbothered for my highlight. I'm going to dip that in, dust it off just a little bit, and put it right on the tops of my cheeks. That is so pretty. Ooh. Down the center of my nose. very lightly. A little on the cupid's bow, a little on the chin. Okay, and then I'm actually going to take September, which is the purple shade, and I'm going to put that right under Unbothered. Take your time to blend in your highlight as best as you can. I love this brush for highlighter. This is my favorite brush for highlighter. Okay, and then to finish it off, I'm going to take the color Revenge right up under that. Just a little bit because it's kind of pigmented. Dust that off. Oh. I'm just keeping it right there by my sideburns. Oh, how pretty. That is so pretty. I'm just going to use my Bed Bath & Beyond lip gloss to top it off. Okay guys, so that's it for this look. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed using the Perception palette by MakeupShayla in Colourpop. This palette is so pretty. Oh my god. I mean, the colors are really booming, as MakeupShayla would say. Okay, my favorite thing about using this palette was using Unbothered, September, and Revenge as a trio for a highlighter and blush. Oh my god, look, like, come on, it came out so pretty. I absolutely love it. Let me zoom in. Look at this blush. Okay, but you guys, that's it. Thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and please leave your questions down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.